Alright lads, let's get it. We are back. Still not doing too well, but we're back. Amazing. Let's go, boy. A1 Media Group, what's good, Nebras? Welcome back, lads. Welcome back. Good morning. Likewise. Likewise. You guys know the vibe. Do I sound different, Gypsy?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's it. We're about to drop it like it's hot. Let's go.
Wow, okay.
We're gonna break these charts down super hard. We're gonna go. We're gonna smash these charts out. That's what I'm gonna tell you guys. You know what? Let's go back to apply defaults. Alright, let's go back to default. There you go, you guys see it. Alright. So now let's mark our charts up, okay? Let's mark our charts up. Alright, let's look at this. We're gonna do complete top-down analysis, lads, after FOMC yesterday. Alright, we're gonna do complete top-down analysis and see where it could take us, alright? Let's see these levels. 166. Let's see. 166 to around. Let's say 165,500. Very interesting. Look at that. 166 key level. So this is our monthly resistance. Let's just put that over here. Awesome. Monthly resistance key level 166, because I really think we're gonna get a really good trade over here. So let's continue. Let's look at it. Monthly support 161 to maybe the 400 level. Right, so we mark that up. Let's see. Monthly support key level 161 flat. So now we've marked our two zones. Let's go to the weekly time frames. This is a monthly. Alright, so we got these key levels marked out for us, monthly and weekly support and resistance, so we know we're in the middle of this range. Now on the monthly time frame, what we also know is we have this little level right over here. Which is very important. If you look at this is the monthly rejection level. If you notice, we rejected this level first and then we broke down below, right? So we rejected this level and then faked out right over there. So that is a very important level, which you will see getting even more important as we continue our analysis. So let's see, we got a good level on the daily time frame. So this is the daily resistance that we're looking at, which is a pretty key daily resistance in my opinion. So what we look at is, yesterday the daily candle closed strong bearish. This morning we went down on the daily time frame, we rejected the lows, and now we're going back up. So totally we've already moved 160 pips for the day, right? And so give me a second. So right now we got this daily level that is rather strong, I would say. So we're going from around 800 to, let's say, 400, or let's just take it back up to 500. All right, so we have this key daily resistance zone. And that's why I'm gonna mark both these levels, the 500 and 800 level, which is so important. So we come back here, this is the daily resistance. Daily resistance. Alright, so now as we're looking at it, what can we notice, guys? What can we notice? Are we in a bullish market? So regardless, we're ranging, right? But are we in a bullish market or bearish market? Right? You guys get what I mean? Are we in a bullish or bearish market right now? You see that? Because right now all we're seeing is price is following this major trend that we have been following for a very long time. So now what we've recognized is we found our key levels, right? We've found our key levels. One second, let me just bring this here. Done. We found our points of interest. All right. These are the three levels of interest. So now as we look at it, we found the major trend we have, and now we found the minor trend we're creating. All right, so now as we come down to the 4-hour time frame, we recognize this, that this is what we have been doing continuously at this level. One second, just get this up there. All right, you guys see this? So we came and tapped this level quite a few times, if you noticed, right? So the question is, if we want to continue up with this major trend, right? If we want to continue up with this major trend, we now need to break this level and do this, right? Because we now need to see a different market structure if we want to continue up, right? So this is what we're going to look for, right? So the question is, first we look for where we can break the trend, that's over here. Okay, can we break this trend? Next we're going to look, can we retest this demand? And if we're able to stay above this demand, 163 to 163,800 is what I'm gonna say is the level of demand. Demand zone. Let's just turn it all to white. Coordinates, background border, white. All right. So if this demand zone holds the way we want it to hold, like this, then we're going to continue up. So the question is, can we retest this level, hold a higher low, right, at this demand to continue up to resistance? Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Because after all, we're just following the higher time frame trend. Okay, we're just following the higher time frame trend, and that would be my opinion on it. Because if we break out of this trend and retest this demand zone, fail to go back below this demand zone and continue up, I will start buying GJ back up to the highs. Because now I have a 250 pip zone for sure. Out of 250 pips, at least, let's just say 50 to 100 pips are capturable. Can you capture the whole thing perfectly? There's a possibility, right? So yeah, Mohan, yeah, I'm okay. You can hear me. My voice is a little different this morning, but it's fine. Alright guys, you hear me clearly? Alright guys, does that make sense? Alright, so let me just mark this for you all a little bit differently. All right. I think this makes perfect sense, right? Of what we're looking at. You break this minor structure, retest, confirm. So the retest is normally your confirmation in continuation. All right. So that's why we look at it pretty simply. Alright, so there you go. That's what I'm looking for on GJ. Okay, That's what I'm looking for in GJ. Let's hope for the best. Right. All right. So I think that makes perfect sense, right? Let's just go to the other pairs now. Come on. All right. Now let's move on to the other pairs that we trade. We're gonna look at Euro JPY. Interesting, giving us kind of the same understanding. And gold. All right. Very similar understanding on Euro JPY too. Let's go from the higher to the lower time frame, of course. So what I did on Euro JPY is to figure this out. I started using, so my question is over here on the monthly time frame, which resistance do you use? You use this, which resistance do you use? So I added a little bit of a 2-month time frame to give us an understanding. You see that? The 2-month time frame gives us a clean understanding of which one is the actual resistance. You guys see that? That is super helpful for me personally. One, 4, 6. This is the monthly resistance that we have here. And key level 146 flat. You guys see that? Then we have the monthly support down here. That one is pretty obvious. That's given to you right over here. Very well defined for y'all. Okay, it's 136 actually. Alright, so we got this 136 key level right over here. You got my sister in the chat. What's good? Okay, so this is a monthly support. So we got our monthly support and key level 136 flat. So we got a nice 1000 pip range between the monthlies on Euro JPY, which is interesting, right? So this is a weekly / monthly level. Yeah, and then we got this weekly resistance. Alright guys, so look at this weekly resistance, which I'm gonna mark at the 144 key level. Alright, that lines up well. And then we go to the daily. Let's bring this up to 500. So beautiful. Daily. So it's a weekly / daily resistance. And key level 144. Alright, so this makes complete sense, right? This makes complete sense from our understanding of where we're looking at price moving. This is our major trend. That is our major trend, and this minor downtrend is our minor trend. Very interesting. Which actually makes me wonder if Euro JPY is actually going to continue down to give us a tap on the major trend level again. So there you go, guys. You see this? Major trend and minor trend. Right, so let's take a look at this. All right, you see this? So you want to see, is price action going to follow the major trend or the minor trend, right? Right over here. There you go. So that is also the point of concern and questions we are facing right now. What is the market going to do over here? So at this point, let's go down to our lower time frames and see what we're rejecting on. Alright, so firstly we went to the daily time frame. We found out that this is our daily support that is forming. 700 to like the 500 level on EJ. Alright, and this is what we've been looking at. If we break below that level, we will move down cleanly. At least we got a clean move to this level right over here. So we could potentially do this, guys. This, and then continue back up. My only thing is I don't want anyone prematurely selling or prematurely buying. Wait for the major trend or the minor trend to validate itself to continue. So right over here, if you look at EJ, right? If we break out of this, retest this level, and then retest perhaps that, I will buy it back up again, because where is the level of demand? Okay, so this is possibly the level of demand right over here. So at that point, that's what I will be looking at. All right. That's what I'm particularly looking at. But if we fail to break this level, then I will still continue looking for shorts too. It all depends on how much are you willing to wait for it, be patient for it, and then execute on your trades. All right. Does that make sense, guys? We could see Euro JPY continuation to the downside from this level. Right, so let's just mark this something else. There you go. All right, so that is the potential. The thing is, there's very clean traffic to the downside, so the downside does look very attractive in my opinion. Yesterday I took a trade on EJ over here. Where's that over there? All right, yeah, it was around this level. Let me just see. Evening right over here. Here, guys. That is basically where I took the trade yesterday. Where was that? Now I'm wondering what if it was on EJ at all. Let me check it. I'll check it and let you know. Wait. Control T. Sell on EJ. 30-minute time frame. Oh, it was here. I was looking at the wrong day. Right over here. We went close to 20 pips in profits. Then after that we broke even and got stopped right over there. Oh man. So that was yesterday's EJ trade. Basically 15. What was yesterday? 22nd? Today? Yesterday was 21st. September, that was So then today's trade we will count it out. So if you guys want to see my trades, feel free to check my trades in my trade history for sure. Alright, so here we are now on EJ, waiting to see what we're going to do at this level. Key levels. Extremely sharp key levels. So we just need to see what are we going to do in this level before we can think about taking a trade. Alright, now let's do gold. Gold is going for it. I don't think we're gonna stop gold anytime soon. 50 and 75 shouldn't come real fast. Alright, let's just check this out. So we're just gonna mark some levels off on gold, so we're able to kind of identify what we want to see. So firstly, we would be looking at the weekly candle coming down to this support. Well, this 1710 to 1718 level right over here, we have found that this is the key level of resistance right there. 1675 to 1875. So last night, what did we do? We pulled back up to this 1685 level, but we rejected it, which gives us the confirmation that gold does want to continue down. All right, so let's see to the left what it'll be our confirmations. And secondly, to the left, if we look at this, we have another support waiting for us, 1650 support. Okay, so looking at the daily candle, we'd have no top wick, which is interesting. The 12 hourly candle, let's just see. All right, so we understand that this is a very important level over here, 1660, literally 1660. Okay, to 1662, let's go with that. Very important level up there. So let's see. All right, very good. We finally broke down 4-hour time frame. Key levels on key levels. Let's see. Very interesting. So this actually should continue us down. Alright, so let's see if we can rearrange this a little bit. Half an hour candle has just opened up. The 1 hour candle, if the 1 hour candle closes this way, you could expect to take a sell right over here. Have your stops above this candle. Expectation to continue down to this next zone, 1650 zone. The half an hour candle itself looks good to continue down, guys, because that is the break of this minor structure. Maybe a little retest would be nice, like a proper retest. Okay, give me a few minutes. We're gonna get a good trade on gold. That's what I'm gonna tell you guys. Give us a few minutes. We're gonna get a good trade on gold. I think there's a big opportunity on gold right now. Guys, in the chat, put it down in the chat what you guys are looking at. Put it down in the chat. Say, yo, what's up? I'm looking at this morning. Alright, let's get some interactions in the chat. Let's see. I'm waiting for this to do a pullback, give us an engulfing, and then we can kind of get into this stuff. $16.60, very important level. Alright, say what's up in the chat, guys. Tell me what you guys are looking at. So GJ also there's not really much. What would your TP be on gold? 1650. 1650 will be my TP on gold, right? Because that's the next most relevant support on the higher time frames, of course. For me, you know, I'm looking only on the higher time frame. So once we break this support, the next most relevant support is 1650. Right? Can you see this? We come down 1650. So more likely 1645 almost. 1645 to 1644 is a very good, nice level to move down to. Right? So we move from one support to the next support. That's how it works, right? Let's see. Gold has to give me my confirmations before I buy or sell gold. Gold is looking good, guys. Gold with the last 30 minutes itself, it looks good. The 1 hour will be the confirmation though. So let's see, gold lower time frame. Let's watch this. It's gonna give us a trade, believe it or not. What do you guys think? Makes sense? Let's just wait. Guys, tell me, what are you guys looking for? It's a beautiful trading day. There's a lot of opportunities. What's that support level on gold? Which one? Is it this level? Or this level down here? 1650. So I have 1660 to 1650 marked off. Alright, so that's what we're looking for. Gold looks ready to go down. Let's wait for the 1 hour close. Because the 1 hour is closing below all these supports, which should give us good momentum to the downside, right? So that's what we're looking for anyway. Guys, ask questions. Feel free to ask questions. Remember, the only way to grow is asking questions. So feel free to ask questions. We're open to all questions. Let's see, gold is looking very nice. It kind of did give us the 1660 retest, which could give us downside potential. Yo, Sanjeev, what's good? What's good, lads? I have a question. When will you one-on-one champion Pips in a trade challenge? I don't mind, bro. Why not? Champion Pips is an amazing guy. That'll be a fun video, to be honest. Amazing lad. Why not? I don't mind. It'll be a fun video. He's an amazing trader. He's a wonderful guy, so I don't mind. He'll make good content, I'm sure. Yeah, definitely. It would be wonderful for the community, in my opinion, too. There you go, guys. Samita, what's good, Samita? What is good, everyone? What's good? How's everyone doing today? I don't mind a little challenge. If you guys want to see a little challenge, I don't mind. If you want to see an account build or a challenge, just let me know. On gold. I like it the way it is, Rizwan. From yesterday's low. So you want me to do this? But there's not much happening. Nah. I get what you mean, but even on the lower time frames, you see, that's just the news, so I don't like it. For me, it mostly works when I use it this way. It's fine. Whatever works for you guys. Whatever works for you. If it works for you, this one, that's fantastic. Do it. Yeah, we need challenge. All right. Do you do giveaways, DC? Yep, we will do giveaways soon. Raja challenge ICT guy. Yep. No one in the industry is going to take a challenge with Raja Banks. That is that is destruction. No one in the industry, mark my words, no one in the industry will ever challenge Raja Banks. I mean, someone might just do it for views, who knows? But in my opinion, I don't see anybody challenging Raja Banks. Come on, pull back. Let's see. Yeah, guys, he's on a different level. That guy is a different kind of beast. He's a different kind of animal. He's been in the industry for a very long time. Alright, come on, GJ. What are we gonna do over here? Come on, show us. Euro JPY trying to go up. Gold. Okay. So far I'm not seeing any clean. Let's go to other pairs, right? Let's see if we're getting any trades on other pairs. Well, firstly, let's get these back into play. Yeah, he's a different kind of beast. So my question is, okay, wait. Okay, guys in the chat, let me know, okay? Let me know in the chat. Okay, let me know in the chat. Do you guys want me to do a funding challenge where I allow y'all to copy every single trade? Alright? Do you guys want me to do a funding challenge where you'll copy every single trade? Because the next funding challenge I'm probably going to do is on FXM, Raja's funding platform, right? Probably do 100 or 200k where you'll copy every single trade. Or do you all want me to do like trader face-offs? Right? Where it doesn't disprove a trader's skill or something. We're not doing this for hate. We're going to do this to better the community, to be able to see which trader is able to implement what. We will take good stuff from it. Which one do you guys actually want? funding challenge where you'll copy every single trade. All right. Do you trade FOMC news? Of course. This was my FOMC trade yesterday. It was 60 pip sell stop. Took 60 pips real quick and got out. Alright, so you want me to trade a funded account? Alright. And so we'll just do the challenge together, pass the account together that way. Right? Yeah. Baba, we've done loads of funding account challenges on this channel. We've passed way too many challenges, in all honesty. And so now, AUD USD, bro, 100 pips up. But yeah, and so now, if you guys want me to take a challenge and pass it with you guys, I'm more than willing to do so. Yes, we're live over here normally every day. Only been here a little while. No problem, no problem. Whoever's new here, no problem. Just let me know, guys, what you want to see, because, you know, while I'm trading my accounts, I'm willing to do that also. Okay, let's see today if we're gonna get a trade on stream. Let's do Raja's platform. Yep, that's what I'm looking at. Manav, I don't have a trade copier right now, but if you guys want it, that's where I will have to go and look into it. Into trade copying, right? So that's what, it's completely for you guys. So you guys have to let me know if you want that. If you all want me to do a funding challenge and use a trade copier for you guys to just copy my trades. Yeah. Sheesh. Now one candle went up to the daily high and came back down. Most definitely accelerate. Yep. Alright, so let's see how we could get that done. Okay, let's look at it. I was looking at FXM funding. I messaged them. Let's see. That way I'd be able to get you guys a coupon code. Let me see if I can get you guys a coupon code. Alright, on FXM funding. Raja's platform. Beautiful. Okay, look at it. GJ is trying to push up right now, which is good. That means we're going to be breaking this structure, which could dip back into the demand zone to continue back up to retest the highs. All right, so I'll try to get you guys Alright, I'll try to get you guys a coupon code on FXM funding. Let's see, I'll reach out to the guys at FXM funding. The thing is, I'll tell you what, guys, in my opinion, Finauto funding is one of the best prop firms in the game. Alright, FXM funding. Let's see. Baba, what's the question, Baba? Alright, let's see. I want this next 15 to close bullish up over here, and then the next candle to close bearish. All right. Oh, Finotive. Right there, it came down. You can get a 5% discount and 5% extra profit split, guys. Plus, I told you guys the Finotive scaling plan is unparalleled to any other platform out there. Finotive scaling plan. Alright, the Finotive scale up is way better than. Yeah, their spreads are the best. Trust me, they're the best. I think Gypsy from our trading squad is now with Finotive too. We've got quite a few guys moving over to Finotive because Finotive is one of the best platforms out there, in my opinion. Yeah, I just started my Finotive 200k challenge using your coupon. Really impressed with the spreads, execution speed, profit down. There you go. Yas is doing a 200k Finotive challenge. That's how we like to do it out here. It's all part of it. Finotive is one of the best platforms out there, lads. Amazing. Let's go, lads. All right, so let's see GJ at this level. Interesting. Gold at that level. Beautiful. AUD USD is about to close below support over here. Let's look to the left. What's to the left? AUD USD. So we haven't been here in a long time on AUD USD. Interesting. So yeah, we should continue down to fill this. If it doesn't close, then we'd be looking at how it's going to reject this level, right? So looking even further down to this, right? So this is another small trend. So if we come and break below this and respect it, then you know the vibe. This morning, I think we had some JPY news of some sorts, right? What time is the next news coming out? Okay, today there's a lot of news, guys. It's gonna really irritate us. So what I would say is be careful. Okay, the 1 hour candle is about to close. Let's wait for it to give us a nice stop wick and then expect continuation to the downside. One to two pairs, 1 to 2 trades, 1 to 1 RR. Sumita, so now we've been actually looking at that. We've been actually changing that. 1 to 2 pairs, 1 to 2 trades, correct, but not 1 to 2 risk to or 1:1 risk to reward. We're always going fire and positive risk to reward. Man, it barely gave us a top wick. Damn gold. It's a 1:1 right over there. This should continue down. It didn't give me a big enough top wick. I thought it'll at least snap back into this zone, and when it starts breaking down, we can take it. Yeah, this should continue breaking down easily. Alright, GJ breaking above, very nice. The thing is, guys, see, now GJ is at this resistance. So like I told you guys, now we slowly reject this. So we break out, come back, continue up. You get what I mean? We need the retest and then the continuation. EJ closed very nicely above here. Alright guys, so you guys understand, if you stay, okay, thoughts on DXY, let's check the DXY. Wow, moving on up yet again. DXY moving on up yet again. Have we ever been in this level before? Are these the ultimate highs on DXY? Wait, let's see DXY. Any other one? What is this? DVC? No, that's capital.com. Okay, there you go. We got much more data. Damn, DXY is gonna push up to 120, guys. Yeah, there's really nothing stopping it in my opinion. The DXY is not gonna stop pushing anytime soon. There you go. Gold tapped back in a 1660, continuation to the downside. So that was the level to look for. Beautiful. Gold is dropping. Damn. Intense. Steep drop on gold right now. Euro JPY is pumping up. GJ is pumping up. Beautiful. This is what we wanted, guys. This is what we wanted. Sheesh. Interesting. Yeah, I don't believe DXY is gonna stop before 120. Yeah, I think 120 is the play. Yeah, call me when this trend is done, honestly, on DXY. Call me when this is done, lads. DXY easy up to 120. 115 is a key level. Let's see what happens at 115. And then after that, it's 120 all the way. Uptrend to oil. What's that oil? Texas oil, right? So, what's that? WTI? Crude oil, there you go. Ooh, we just broke out of that. Oh, crude oil's not looking as good as it was before. We were in an uptrend. No, we aren't. Guys, this looks like crude oil can actually drop further. Oh, wow. On the weekly timeframe, it's not looking good. But this could drop further, guys. Looking at it on the daily, it looks ready to drop even further. Okay, that's not looking too good for crude oil, honestly. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. EJ rejected hard. It tapped right into the trend line, 20 pips and rejected. GJ also trying to reject. Let's see what happens now. Putin's impact. Oil is bearish for now. There you go. Yes, exactly. That's how I feel about oil too. You know, sometimes I or may range at these prices for now. Exactly. It might halt over here for a bit. You know, sometimes I see these kids on other YouTube streams, all that, talking all normally. But some of these kids, I've had them in my Discord server begging me for money. Begging me for money. And it's so funny how they try to play it cool when they go on another server. But yeah. It's funny yet sad. People are such. All right, let's check this out. Euro AUD. We had a nice little collapse. Let's see, monthly time frame. Ooh, we're forming a support. Could we finally start going up is the question. I think it's on the daily time frame. It's such a strong bearish trend. Let's see, if we break this bearish trend, then we have potential to move up. So Euro AUD, I'd actually slowly start looking for buys in my opinion. Oh, there are buys available right over here after we break this high. Awesome, so we have a good range. Good luck, guys. I didn't. Oh, Nathan, so sorry, I didn't get you, man. Not much happening. I didn't trade today. Yep, not yet. The day is still young. The day is still very young. Very sad, but yeah. Yo, Janez, what's good? Janez FX, what's good? How we doing? Gold pulling back sharp. Look at this, beautiful. It's just moving up really, really nicely. And so we need to find a break above this major level of resistance, and it's at some form of key level almost. I think once we break above this 500 level, we should be good. Let's just draw this zone from 600 to 400. So there you go, 20 pip zone, waiting for the breakout above that level. Once we get the breakout above that level, we should continue moving up, guys. Not even kidding, no cap. Janice, trying to get better, Janice. Trying to get better. Euro AUD looks good. Let's look at GBP USD. Sheesh. And now this is definitely the lowest we've ever been on GBP USD. Right? Guys, has GBP USD ever been lower than this? Or is this the lowest it's been? Is there another chart where we can find more information? GBP USD, IDC. Okay, there you go. We have been a little lower. 1.0700 to 600, or let's say 500. Okay, let's go back to our chart. $1.0700 to 600. There you go. We're going at the speed of light down. It's very interesting how gold rejected that area. It rejected this area, yeah. Beautiful. He pays big for them. Ooh, accelerator. I'm not sure who you're talking about. But yeah. Alright, GBP USD, we're coming up. Coming back to 167. 0 to 50. 50. Let's go. So that's the level we're actually looking at falling down to. We're in such a massive downtrend on GBP USD. There were many times where people, you overall bearish on gold. Oh, so for the month, for the week, I was actually looking at gold coming back up to 1720 before pushing back down, but that didn't happen. 1720. So yeah, I'm overall bearish on gold right now until this trend breaks. Right? So until we have a break in our trend, the trend is my friend, so I'm not gonna give that up for anything else. Alright. The GBP USD, we should fall down, honestly. There's a lot of room to fall, another 600 pips. We've been pulling back up to resistance, dropping again, you know. GBP USD is overall one different ride altogether. So let's just see. 1 second. Okay, so look at it on GBP USD. There are these levels. Which have been focused on. Right, so what have we done continuously at these levels? Even if, one second, even if I increase this to here. Just look at this. Can you see this on the daily time frame? Just following this nice clean level. Look in the middle of that, what we see. Okay. Can you see this minor trend also? So you have the major trend, which is this. And in between this, you can see the minor trend. So GBP USD, we've just been falling. That's it. So that's why we could get a sharp pullback to retest and then continue falling again. Because that's very sharp. The fall has been very sharp. So looking at it, it's a little dangerous how sharp that's been. But we could expect a retest possibly at these levels at least, or at least here. Right? Zishan. Yep. Zishan. You pay big for them. Accelerator. I have no clue what you're talking about, mate. Are you typing in the wrong YouTube chat? But yeah, when we look at it, we could pull back up to those levels on GBP USD. So the only way to find a pullback on GBP USD is go to these time frames and try to find a break in the trend. Try to find a break in the trend and move up. Pushing hard. They're trying to push. Let's see. So now we're slowly having the breakout. EJ is also breaking above the trend. So you see, now since we're breaking this trend, we could have a pullback and continuation. So the pullback and continuation phase would potentially be over here in this level. So that's what I'm looking for. I want EJ to break up It'll retest these highs, pull back, and then I'm gonna get a banger entry for another 100 pips. Alright? That's what I'm looking for. Euro USD is just doing its thing too. USD JPY still pushing up. Very interesting. UJ also has just been pushing up hard. It's just one of the seasons where you could blindly buy USD and just let it run. A1 Media Group, likewise, man. Let this break up, okay? Remember, this will break up. Let it then retest a demand zone. So GJ pushing up, okay? So we could expect GJ to retest even this level. So this is also a demand zone of some sorts on the 4 hour. On the hourly time frame too. So let it break up, reject this level, pull back, give us an entry, and then continue up to 164, okay? There you go, it just showed up. That's my trading journal right over here. Yesterday we took a similar trade. How many days has it been? Okay, so it's almost, yeah, one trade a day I've taken this month. 22 days, 23 trades. So yeah, one trade a day. So those who want to join my private squad, you see quite a few of them have been in the banger squad. Alright, so that is the banger squad trades. So that's what you can go check it out. I am long since it opened. GBP USD. Okay. Alright, bro, as you say. So let's see, GJ, if we can have a nice little pullback phase, then continuation phase. GJ's been waiting to go up, guys. We've been struggling at this level like crazy. The next phase we start is going to start just moving like crazy, in my opinion. EJ, come on, start breaking above. Retest this. Come here, retest, continue. That's all we need. This is a demand zone on EJ. You can see this. Retest, retest, continuation to the upside. So we need a break, retest, continuation to the upside. Gypsy, any trades?
Okay, once you get the sheet,
Waiting on EJ.
what you want to do
Yeah,
is,
again.
EJ, yeah. Let's see how this plays out. Let's just give it some more time. Let's check some other YouTube channels in the meantime. King is sitting and chilling, doing his thing. Conabrams. This kid, DJEFSky. Funny little kid. But yeah.
There's a new FIFA out as well. Oh yeah.
Alright, GJ breaking up really nicely. Bought gold on the low wick re-entry, tight stop, 2 minute lows. Damn, yes. Interesting, man. Alright guys, CHF news coming in, right? Yup. Carol, thank you for the reminder. CHF news coming in. USD CHF to short. Oh, okay, interesting. Let's see. Do I have a CHF pen here? Let's see CHF JPY. Three minutes left. This is already pushed up, what, 200 pips for the day. What the heck? About half on gold. Alright, interesting. Let's see what the news does. It's already moved 200 pips. What more is it gonna do? Seriously. These big news. Should have had a buy limit with the 10 pip stop. What is this? 250 pips. Yeah, this news, if the news comes out positive for CHF, it's just gonna rock it off. SNB policy. Let's see, 1.5 minutes left. CHF JPY has by far moved the most today. Yas, beautiful trade, man. You're killing it, man, Yas. Beautiful. Absolutely killing it. You guys are absolutely slaying it. That's how we like it. Let's see. Will we get on EJ? Interesting. I'm gonna wait for the GJ pullback before getting in. Alright guys, news is coming. The rate's not yet out. Oh, damn. Damn. That's 100 pip 1 minute candle. Oh my god. CHF 120 pips. Positive for CHF. Why is it going down though? Damn, that just dropped 100 pips. Messed up. Damn. 140, 50 pips. Damn. 1 minute candle, guys. Damn. But if it was positive for CHF, why would you want to short it, Carol? $150 pips. But it's all about. I have no clue. But it wasn't. It was same as forecast. No clue, lads. Very interesting situation, but that's a little messed up. Alright, so GJ, I'm gonna be looking for a pullback and re-entering. Right, let's go for it. Yo, Shawnee Designs, what's good, mate? How's everyone's trading day going? Yeah, always good vibe, Shawnee. Did you all catch any trades? Did you all take any trades for us? We've been waiting for the retracement on EJ and GJ. For EJ also, I was just waiting for a little bit of a retracement, maybe to this level, and then start pushing up. Let's see. Gold buying? Not yet, guys. I'm not buying gold just yet. So let's see what gold does. I think we need gold to break out of this, and then we can identify a little better. Right? Pranav, Pramod, what's good, lad? Isn't GBPY bullish? To be looking for a sell? We're not looking for a sell, we're looking for buys, Zishan. So we're looking for GJ to pull back and then continue. So that's one. Yes, also targeting gold. Okay. So targeting the top of the range. Fine, but this is good to have GJ moving like this, lads. It's moving like this after a very long time. 95 pips, beautiful. Damn it. It's alright. That's a beautiful move on GJ, in my opinion. Beautiful, beautiful move on GJ and EJ. Now we're just expecting the pullback to demand and then continuation back up. Gold also is looking very intriguing in my opinion. We'll find out what gold wants to do in a few minutes. Yeah. Because I'll tell you why the pullback entry on GJ is going to be lit, alright? Because once we make a higher low over here, right, that should just take us all the way up to either break this high, but to retest this resistance, which is like 300 pips away. So I will start stacking my positions in, you know. So on GJ, I will be stacking positions because I'm really looking at GJ moving up. So that's it. Just look at it, guys. So if you see it, most of our trades are just straight to T minus loss. Like, yeah, when I lose my whole position loss, as y'all see. Only one loss has been taken on stream though. The other two was taken in Banger Squad. Yeah, and I don't hide it. Sometimes in our private squad we lose. There's nothing to hide about that. Sometimes in our private squad we lose. There's nothing to hide about that. If you're not honest with yourself about losses, then you'll never be honest with yourself about anything. Stopped out rest of gold, break even. Alright. Oh, gold. Wow. Big major pullback on gold. Let's see the higher time frame. What are we looking at? The thing is, we don't have a top wick for the daily candle, which is very interesting. But gold does want to push down, in my opinion. Let's see if gold closes nice and strong. GJ should just start retesting. I am on my knees. Give it time. Give it time. I'll tell you what, A1. The difference between a good trader and a great trader is patience. Alright? Good traders are in and out. Great traders have a lot of patience. Okay? The longer you wait for GJ to come back and retest, GJ will come back in its time, retest and continue up. Great traders will take it and hold it for 10 pips and get out. That's good traders. Sorry, good traders will take it and then come out at 10 pips. Great traders will hold it for the time they've waited. If you've waited for 2 hours for that trade, hold it for next 2 hours. Don't tell me you waited for all that time to just get in and get out. Because guess what? You get paid to wait. A lot of traders, you look at it. Why is Raja Banks now holding trades all the way to like 100, 150, 200 pips sometimes? Right? You get what I mean? Because he also understood that there's a certain greatness involved in waiting. So if you wait, there's a certain amount of greatness that's going to come. Waiting, holding. Holding is very important. Holding is part of the process of greatness, literally. Nothing great came overnight, guys. So holding it is so important. So let's see. Let gold close like this. Give us a nice engulfing candle and then we short it. That's proving the discipline. Exactly. Many times what traders fail to do is they'll wait during market consolidation. When they take the trade, they don't want to wait. But guess what? The most important and the biggest test of you as a trader is in waiting for the continuation. Right? So that's what. Holding your stops, waiting, holding drawdown, no problem, waiting. I'll tell you what, if you look at this, a lot of trades, if you notice, are slowly going above our levels. EJ 140, 200 pips on NAS 100, 45 pips on gold, 100 pips on GJ, 65 pips on GJ, 40 pips on GJ. You see that? We're evolving as a group. Because guess what? Sometimes we need to have the courage to sit back and hold. The more you sit back, watch your analysis and hold, that's the more you're going to see your life changing. That's the more you're going to see your trading changing. Because like everything in life, you're not going to wake up one day with muscles. You're not going to wake up one day with money. You're going to have to go through the grind and then earn money. DCFJPY has now dropped 200 pips. Silver looks stronger than gold. Very interesting. I'm guessing. So yes, I'm guessing you're trading metals, eh? Pull back on gbpjpy. Yup. Let it pull back. Let it pull back. I want it to pull back. Give us 2 to 3 bearish candles down to this level. Yeah, give us 2 to 3 bearish candles and then I'd expect continuation. Trade futures, indices, trade futures, okay, and commodities, beautiful. Could you please look at USD CAD? Sharon, if you could send me a chart, that would be fantastic. Because I'd have to break this entire thing down. So if you send me a chart, it would be a lot more helpful. So very interesting. US 30 is continuing bearish just as we expected it to. Plain and simple. US 30 is continuing bearish just as we expected it to. Nothing else. Just as expected, US 30 is continuing down. All right. US 30 was the most predictable drop last week. We've been calling it since last week, honestly. US 30 also is really good to hold, guys, in my opinion. Very good with holding on US 30. NAS 100, absolute queen. Wow. So see guys, if GJ just continues pushing up like this, no problem. I just keep my hands, to the side, just wait and watch. That's it. No problem. If it's gonna continue doing what it does, no problem. I need to see what I want to see because that's the way I trade, right? If I don't stick to my plan, then I've already failed. Oh, this is gonna retest for sure. Just remember, nothing travels vertical. Okay? So just make sure. Look, there are tons of other opportunities we'll wait for. Alright guys, plain and simple, tons of opportunities. So if you guys are here today, first put in the chat where you're from, what are you trading, where are you from and what are you trading. Smash that like button for me. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. Let us know what is popping off. Alright, guys. Alright, so there you go. Let's see what happens today with GJ. GJ reached back down here and continue back up. Very interesting. Plain and simple. This is not going to change. The same plan, same process is what we're waiting for. Alright. GJ pullback. Yep. As per my trading plan, A1 Media Group, that's what it is. Waiting for the pullback. Alright guys, so EJ also looks like we're gonna get the pullback. So guys, that's it from my end for today. That's it from my end. We'll be back here tomorrow, same time, same place for the London session. I'll tell you what, guys, keep your eyes peeled. When I take the GJ trade, I will call it out in the general chat. Alright? Join up. I will call it out in the general chat. Alright? Join the Discord server. I will call the GJ trade in the general chat. The same way I call out for banger ideas and stuff like that, right? Even yesterday, EJ trade was called out over here. There you go. EJ shorts. All of us for shorting it. There you go. I shorted it. There you go. So everything will be called out in the general chat today. Alright? Today is the one day I will call it out in the general chat. Alright? So join on the Discord server. Okay? Discord. If y'all want a prop firm, Pinotive is the best prop firm. You get 5% discount and 5% extra profit split. DC, I have been having trouble trading this. DC, I seen you. Silent Wicks, yeah man, been sick this month. Thank you. Been really struggling with the flu and everything this month, so yeah. But trading, we've been having an amazing season trading. Here's my journal, so yeah. Just happened. So yeah, that is it. So that's what, guys. Feel free to use Finotive Funday. We have a 5% discount and 5% extra profit split. I will call everything out on our Discord for today. Alright. But let's keep smashing it. Let me know what you guys want to see. For me, I'm waiting for a GJ pullback. EJ looks like it's going to give us the pullback. GJ looks a little too strong in my opinion. Very interesting. Goal also rejecting. But yeah, we'll be back here same time, same place tomorrow. Don't forget it. You guys are amazing. Don't over-risk, don't over-trade, guys. That's the one thing that will ruin your trading career. Over-risking and over-trading. Until then, I'ma see you guys. Take it easy, lads. Peace out. you.